What characteristics do all living things share?
What is biology?
Biology is a study of life.
But what is life?
It isn't as simple as you might think to describe what makes something alive. Wow, what is that?
This is life!
So, have you ever wondered what makes a dog alive but a rock don't? It all comes down to 7 characteristics. Let's see them.
First, every single living thing has secret instructions inside of it. We call this DNA. It's a tiny instruction book that tells a person how to grow and tells you what color of eyes they should have. This is why people grow up to be a person and not a monkey. A rock does not have this book of instructions. It just sits there completely questioning what to do with that.
The second characteristic is that all living things grow and change. A tiny seed can become into a big tree. A small caterpillar gets bigger and then turns into a butterfly. It's as simple as growing arenas in Clash Royale or growing our inventory in Seal a Brain Rot. A big level up in a video game. A chair, however, never grows. It's the same size forever, which is super boring. It never gets to have a glow up like us.
All living things react to what's around them. When you see a bright light, you blink. That's you reacting. Or when someone hits you, you react putting your hand or maybe just screaming. When a plant feels the sun, it leans toward the light to get more energy. If you touch a cactus, it touches you back with a spike and hurting you. But if you touch a table, what happens? Nothing. It just sits there, completely unresponsive. It failed that reaction test. The table fails.
And there is no only three. There are more than three. Living things are made of cells. From a tiny ant to a massive elephant has to be built out of tiny little pieces called cells. Think of them like Lego brick. A single-celled organism is just one brick, while a human is made of trillions of them. A rock, for example, is just one big, boring, solid thing. It doesn't have any fun little building blocks.
Taken as a group, living things evolve. As a group, living things evolve. This means over super long periods of time. We're talking millions of years. Entire groups of living things change to survive better. It's like their family tree gets a glow up. This is why we have modern birds today. They are related to dinosaurs. Dinosaurs just took their family tree and said, "You know what? I think I'll be a chicken now. I'll be less scary for humans." A species of rock doesn't have a family tree. It's boring. Again.
Then, we have the baby maker law. All living things reproduce. This is how living things come out. Some split in half and became two, or like us, get together with a new person. A seahorse is living its best life, and then it's only, oops, they are new baby seahorses. A curious fact is that males in seahorses get pregnant and not the females. An alarm clock, however, can make little alarm clock babies. It's too busy yelling at people in the morning.
Living things maintain a stable internal environment. This next one is like a temperature revision, also known as homeostasis. All living things have to keep their insides super stable. Your body is always making sure your temperature is just right. If you get too hot, you sweat to cool down. If you get too cold, you shiver to warm up. Or if you're intelligent, if you are hot, you can pour a bucket of water into your head. A piece of toast doesn't do this. If you put it in a freezer, it just gets cold. It's got no self-control.
Living things obtain, use material and energy. All living things must obtain and use material and energy. Plants eat sunlight to make their own food. That process is called metabolism. It's basically how we turn food into energy. A robot can just find a snack and eat it. It needs a battery and a wall outlet. How incompetent!
And these are the realities of life.